Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Fox Can Fix It. Today, all I'm doing is replacing the hood latch cable release bracket, hood latch release cable bracket. There it is, that one. This thing, it actually goes right here, and as you can see, it's pretty rusted and worthless. So I made a brand new one, and while I was doing that, I wasn't paying attention to the fact that the microphone sounded terrible. It did work, but it sounded terrible. So I edited the first section down with no sound except maybe some sort of music or something. So you can see me take it off, pick out some scrap metal, cut it out, drill some holes, paint it real quick, go ch-ch. And then the audio comes back in with me blabbering about it right about the time I'm mounting it up. So that's where we're going to go. So it's a little different than usual, and I'm still working on this cheap microphone. Maybe you pay a little more, you get a better microphone. I don't know. That can't possibly be right. So that's how today's episode is going to go. Hope you enjoy it. And here we go. All right, we're kind of going for a little bit of the artsy angle for this, but at least you can see where this goes. So this goes up above here like this, and as the rust falls on the camera, you will note that the bolts go in here, thusly. That's one. And if I lined it all up right, I should be able to get the second one in here. Sort of-ish, maybe. Yeah, it feels like that's going. Definitely. Okay. All right. Well, now, if all's gone correctly, I'll be able to place this in here and clip it in place, and it should stay. And when I pull the hood latch release, it should, I tell you, it should stay. Got to hammer the clip in place, and I don't have a screwdriver. Where's my screwdriver? All right. Get this clip hammered in place. This is very inconvenient, the way this is angled. Okay, there. Now, when I pull this lever, it shouldn't just yank the cable all the way out. It should actually stay put. Look at that. Repair completed. Anybody want a better look at it? So here you go, completed repair, bolted back in place. Similarly shaped sheet metal, a little bit flexy, but it'll be just fine. I mean, it's just a cable release. It's fine. It just is supposed to keep it from dangling down here and going in the wind as it goes down the road and making noise, which it'll definitely do. And things we learned from this is keep your scrap sheet metal, keep old brake parts, and Krylon covers everything. All right, that'll do it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Well, as long as you do like it. I mean, don't hit like if you don't like it. But if you like it, which I hope you do, hit like, and then share it and subscribe. That way you'll see more of things like, well, maybe not like that, but you'll see more stuff on this car. All right, that's it. We'll see you next time. Slow pan away.